Okay, so tonight we are working on problems 4 through 6. For this first one, remember we want to get that 3 to that power by itself. So we'll start out by adding 8. And then we'll divide by the negative 2. And then we can take our log snail. And after we add 9, we'll have our answer. So P will equal log base 3, 29 over 2 plus 9. For problem 5, we're going to be doing something similar. We want to get that log by itself. So we'll start out by subtracting 5, and we'll have 7 log 6, or base 6, of x plus 9 equals 14. We'll divide both sides by 7. We have log base 6 of x plus 9 equals 2. We do our snail. 6 squared equals x plus 9. 6 squared is 36. When we subtract 9, our final answer is going to be 27. And for our last problem tonight, we're trying to find sine of this angle right here. So that means we're first going to look at the side that is opposite. So sine of theta is going to equal that opposite side, which is 9, over the hypotenuse, which is 15. That is your answer. If you have any questions on tonight's homework, please reach out. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday.